Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Tamron 17 to 50mm f2.8 VC lens. I had this lens which had dust under the front lens element. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside the lens. Usually the dust sits between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens and then clean the lens. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For this assembly I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a metal tweezers, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens I will use an air pump, a brush, a microfiber cloth, and lens cleaning fluid. Also, I will use a flashlight to check the surface of the lens elements. If you find that video useful, informative, and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So, let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. There are some dust behind the front lens element. We will remove the front lens, clean the lens underneath it, then assemble the lens. Use the metal tweezers to lift up the plastic covering on the front lens. Mark the covering of the lens, so it will be easier to assemble. Remove the 3 screws from the front of the lens. Remove the cover ring. The front lens is calibrated, so mark its exact position. It should be put back at the same position. Remove the 3 screws. Use a suction cup to lift up the front lens element. I will use an air pump, soft and hard brush, lens cleaning fluid and a microfiber cloth to clean the lens, and a flashlight to check the surface of the lens element. Hold the lens downwards and use the air pump to clean it. Then I will use a hard plastic brush to clean the inside walls of the lens. Check the surface of the lens with the flashlight. It is clean, so I will not clean it with cleaning fluid. Continue with cleaning the front lens element. There are still dust on the surface, so I will use lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth to clean it. Check the surface with the flashlight. Use a suction cup to hold the front lens element and put back into the lens barrel. There is one of the mark. And here is the other one. Align the two marks. Hold the front lens and put back the screws. Clean the front lens element. Put back the plastic covering and the 3 screws. The 3 pins of the plastic covering should be in those holes of the lens barrel. Push the front covering down with a microfiber cloth. We are done with cleaning the lens inside. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you find it useful, informative and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. See you next time in another video.